Hi, this is Amie from Motif Music Studios. We're going to get started right away so you can be playing Ed Sheeran's Perfect in no time at all. By no time, I mean it takes time to practice, but you're going to have fun doing it, I hope. And I hope to give you some ingredients to make it easier to learn this style of music in the future too. So the first thing I love to tell students is it's great to have an idea of the foundation of the piece before you begin. So two things you want to know is one, the rhythm is in a time signature called 12/8 time. All that means is that you're going to hear these groups of three repeating 4 times, like 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. That's going to repeat throughout the whole piece, and if you know that it has that bit of a sway to it, that's going to help you play on time and really enjoy being able to sing along or play the melody with it. The second thing you'll want to know is that you've just got to learn 4 different triads. This song uses them in unique ways, and the melody is really beautiful, but it just uses 4 consistent chords throughout the piece. You'll see that my kids ran off with my whiteboard, so I am using a binder here, which is awesome, and it's pink and fun. Anyways, so the verse uses A flat, F minor, D flat, and E flat. And the chorus uses those same chords, but in a different order. And so does the bridge. This time we start with F minor, but we still have D flat, A flat, and E flat. So I love that you'll know that you're going to learn 4 different triads in bridge form today, and you'll know the whole song. So that being said, it can be like baking cookies where you get all your ingredients together and then it can take some time to practice and mix up the batter before it starts sounding awesome, and that's okay too. So stop the video whenever you need to have a little practice session and don't get discouraged. It can take some time, but it is worth it. So here we go. This is what your chorus could sound like once you get going. So I'll give you a sample first and then we'll dive right in. So I'm so excited to have you playing that in no time. So get your left hand ready. Here we go. Your left hand is going to be on notes called A flat and E flat. And I know I'm giving you the original key, so it's a little bit harder, but I think you've got this. A flat and E flat, we're going to go 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a before the next one. So it gives you lots of time to hang out there, get comfortable before moving. And then you're going to move down to F and C. So you see F and C, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. So then we've got it again, just to go over this. A flat, 1, 2 and down to D flat and A flat here, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. Then E flat, 2 and a 3 and 4. So that is the 4 that you're going to need, and then we're just going to be putting them into different orders. So the first part, actually in the chorus, we're going to use those same ones, but we're going to go A flat, down to D flat, then A flat, then E flat. Now that's the only time that you're just going to do 2 each instead of the 4. So you could hear we did 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1, 2 and E flat repeat. So the chorus will repeat that 2 times, and that's that one here. A flat, F minor, D flat, then A flat, then E flat. Something I also like to remind students is it's okay if you explore different sounds. When you go back to the A flat, I did it up to here so you didn't get confused, but you could explore the A flat down here, and that can sound really cool as well. Okay, so once you've got those chord progressions ready. You can try them again and again. You can explore adding the pedal if you have a damper pedal, the right foot pedal. You can see how it sounds to let those sounds linger together again. Then we're going to explore the melody. And in this song, the key is in A flat major, which is this scale. And all the melody notes are actually found within that scale. And it's okay. I love if students don't mind adding some extra notes. The melody doesn't have to be like a singer would. It can be like a piano. So you might actually add some extra notes or take some notes out, and that's okay. But I'll give you the general idea. So with this one, if you're starting at the chorus, it has this. So you have those little "we were just kids when we fell in love." So you can find those notes, and then it starts to be everything's kind of in this position for your hand. So I like, if students want to, they can find that C with their third finger, their middle finger here, and that will help you be able to find the notes. So that it repeats from there. So I hope that gives you some tools as you look at playing this song by Ed Sheeran. We just focused on the chorus today, but if you're eager and say, I want to hear the verse, then let me know in the comments and we'll add some more content for you. See you next time.